I'm Will Anderson, I'm a partner in C. Anderson & Sons. It's a family business that was started by my parents that me and my brother now have taken over and are running. My role is in the front office and in the back office, so I'm split between the two. I help with the day-to-day operations and the logistics as well as customer service. Before we were using Commusoft, we were using a system called JobLogic, which was not so fluid and quite chunky compared to Commusoft. It took a lot more manual input to sort of operate, which wasn't ideal for us. It got to the point the business had grown and the manpower needed to sort of process these individual processes was getting greater and greater, and it was just becoming an unmanageable task. So we were forced into a change. What we loved when we switched to Commusoft, just the automation of a lot of the basic processes, everything from confirming the job at the time of booking with the confirmation email, the flow of information when the guys are actually recording the real-time updates, so from time they're accepting a job, time travelling to site, time arriving at site, having that all verified and signed for by the customer at the start of the job and at the end of the job. That's been a real game changer for us because that's really minimised all the disputes. It gives our customers peace of mind because they can actually see the real-time digitally recorded for the chime-ins and the charges, as well as the proof of work and the engineer's report. And they're having that upon completion when the jobs are closed down, having it automatically sent to them. Just having that whole flow being automated makes it a lot smoother. It's really minimised the sort of manpower needed to manage those processes, which traditionally before in our historical system required a lot more attention and input. Because it's just having that capability to grow your engineers without growing your office and still have the capabilities to manage the increased manpower and the greater customer demand. It's a wonderful thing. As a business owner to a business owner, I can honestly say Commusoft is the best system we've ever used. The features are so great and easy to use and to operate on a day-to-day basis. The change is a no-brainer. Once you've done it, you will never regret it or look back. The whole implementation and transition of switching over to Commusoft was so easily done. The training's so helpful and supportive, and it gives you the best understanding. You've got all the academy videos to refer back to at later dates, at your leisure, whenever you want. If you're unsure, you slightly forget something, you can just go in there. That's a great refresher. You've got all the tools there to just make the change and to make the swap over so easy and painless. And then once you've actually got the system, you've got all the tools there to make the day-to-day running and the managing of your jobs and your operation so easy. Everything from the automated invoice chasers, from the automated booking confirmation emails, so before you even attend, everything's there laid out and agreed, from your real-time digital records of accepting, travelling, completing jobs. All that just makes it so painless and reduces the number of queries and battles you have to have, because all the information is there, it's transparent, it's concise, it's clear cut, it's all passed on to the customer. The disputes are minimal as a result, and it's just a wonderful system and it's really easy to use. Commusoft only keeps getting better and better. The updates, the tweaks that come onto it, it's premium and it's absolutely the best operation system you'll get out there, in my opinion.